Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 21st of October. All right, let's get started. And first of all, we'll have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. There's only two pieces of data that came out. It was from the UK. We had CPI numbers come in at 3.1%. That was slightly under the forecast of 3.2%. And the only other bit of data was from Canada, also CPI, and that came in stronger than the forecasted at 0.2%. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday in terms of data. Let's move along, and I'm just doing a little variance to the daily call. I'm just doing a little chart analysis section. I want to analyze the chart that I had previously shown and see what's developed, just to help you position yourself better and understand your charting. So saying that, this was yesterday's chart. It was the Aussie yen on a daily timescale. And what we were looking at was an opportunity to possibly have a resistance level and see if we can become sellers. Now, of course, we didn't enter any positions. We were waiting for this particular candle to complete to see if it actually gave us a reversal pattern. Now, let me show you what's actually taken place, and I'll just move directly to my live chart right now. So this was yesterday morning, what I showed you. And this is what the chart looks like this morning. As you can see, that little candle didn't in fact go down, and it kept on creeping up and closed up there. So essentially now this setup has really failed and it hasn't set up at all. What I can do is sometimes I can try and readjust my lines to see if I can make it fit, but I was looking for a perfectly horizontal line, and if I was to do that and move it up here, this doesn't look as good as I showed it yesterday, because that's not quite at the level. This is almost there. This one is, but basically what I've done here is move the line to suit the current price level. So this is an example of a setup that didn't actually set up. We saw it as it was happening. It got close, but in the end what happened was this candle went too far up and it didn't reverse back. What we were looking for is we wanted that candle to be in there somewhere, and this morning that could have given us an opportunity to go down, but because of this it did not happen. Okay, so there you have it. So that's just a little analysis on yesterday's chart of the day. All right, let me go back and let's move along. And let's have a look at this morning's chart of the day. There's actually quite a few things forming at the moment. This was the nicest one that I found. It is the Kiwi US dollar. And if you observe here, it appears that I'm starting to travel inside a channel. Okay, these two bottom points, these are definitely confirmed because the market has come to this level and already shot back up. So these are confirmed points. This point is also confirmed as the market has come up and shot back down. This point is still not confirmed. Okay, so if the market was to go down, technically the lowest or the highest probability trade would be if the market came down here and then attempting to trade it in this direction, because at that point you've already got two confirmed points down the bottom and two confirmed points at the top, which clearly says it is a channel. Okay, at the moment right now what could happen is this could continue to go up there, and if it does continue to go up, well then you come back and you look, and then really my channel is not a channel at all if this continues to go up. But what we can do is, if this can produce for us a reversal pattern, it increases the probability that it could be reversing down, and it would be the first attempt at trading the channel, a little bit more on the aggressive side because it's not really a confirmed second touch, but if we do have a reversal pattern occurring here, it does increase our probability. So what I'm going to look for is a reversal pattern. This little candle that I'm pointing at right now, that's this morning's candle. It's only about an hour into formation, so I need to wait for that one to complete. Let's have a look at this one tomorrow, and we could possibly have an attempt to trade back down into the channel if we get the correct setup. Okay, so let's add that to the watch list, and the Kiwi US dollar is this morning's chart of the day. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? We only have one bit of data, or announcement happening. It happens at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning before I speak to you next. So I'll just show it to you right now. It's Governor Lowe is due to speak for the RBA at 6 a.m. tomorrow. That pretty much wraps up this morning's session, slightly longer than usual. I'll try and incorporate a bit more chart analysis moving forward to help you understand what we looked at, how they developed, and help you gain a bit more experience. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.